Keep pumping.
You're almost there. Keep going. Then it'll shoot and fly all over the place.
See, bigger.
Yeah.
Story two.
Keep going.
What's that? Wait.
Yeah, I don't know. Because a little bit of the air comes out. Keep going.
Keep going. Keep pumping.
Video.
Keep going.
It's a lot of work.
You almost have it done. Just a little
Almost.
bit more.
You're gonna have really big muscles.
Oh my goodness.